Hey guys, what's up? What are you? After many days I am come. What the analysis for the week? Gold was the super bullish on the time. Let's see the market structure in 15-minute time frame. That's a good trade. The 100 if I captured already. Oh, sorry, I was going for 1 hour time frame. And also take the market structure. Wait a second. Good. That's the buying point of gold. After this level, you can again buy on gold. Okay, because that is PIB area also. Let's see this. That is PIB area also, and that is the golden point also. So that's why that point is good buying taking zone area. Like price was come up to this level and price was going for the upper side current because the gold was fully bullish on that time. Like this, cancel. Like this. Gold are super bullish. That's why I called you because and that's the many FPGs are here. The huge order block and the big order block here also. That's why price was coming up to these levels in gold. What am I tell you? Understand, guys? Price was coming to these levels that 100, 100 to 390. That's the good buying and good risk taking area. Up to this risk taking area was 70, 80 pips. But the refined the area. But guys, I refined the area. You can wait. I have entered on the simple trade with minimal risk of taking area zone. I get 100 pips already on this up to this radius. Okay, let's go for this analysis. That is the put taking buying area and also the previous day low. That's the area, the good area, and that's the gap also. That's the gap also. That's the good taking area. Guys. Price up to come to downside up to this level at 300 pips are down up to this upcoming the gold selling the 300 pips selling on this level also and up to this area in 3 minute time frame and show you that's the order I can enter the area this level okay I can show you very well that area was bleached by the market you are going for the selling side scenario up to the point of 3100 okay 3100 was your TP and you are up to this area bleach and that is also break of structure of market up to this area that's the TGL high TGL1 high up to price was coming I can understand you price was coming price was coming up to this level also that is the sorry sorry guys Good. Let's go to look into you. Price was behaving like this, like a full bullish mode in price. I think that's the selling area. That selling was showing by the break of structure, but price was not. That's the manipulated by the market. Price was going upside. But one selling was can pending on market because of this liquidity. Okay, this liquidity, and you can see the things that just New York open, a London open, the selling area, just a selling area, and that's the new all-time high. That is the 3120. That is the 3128, and that's 3130. Okay, that's the selling area up to these levels, and sorry, that's the new high. That's 3130, and that's the liquidity up to here, and that's the liquidity. You can see the liquidity. That's the liquidity of market. That's the liquidity. So price was change of character in smaller time frame, and price was going for like downside up to these levels, and the liquidity sweep, and also you purchase and entered on this area. That is good taking risk taking area 3090, and that is also 3100. That's the 20 pips and 10 to 20 pips is good risk taking area in gold. Okay. So what the happened in this time after this level breach? Okay, like downside, and there's the smaller time frame change of character. I think that is also break of structure in smaller time frame. But price not the price was respectful. Buyers was active on this area, so price was spiking up to upper side. And in case the price was rejection this area by price was rejection by this area, then price was going for like up to 3,100. Because the liquidity was here, that's the liquidity of market. So market was come to this up to this area. That's a 300 pip sellings and 300 pip correction of this gold, because the gold is trading now all time high. That's the gold new all time high. That is the gold new all time high. And really, guys, I told you this trade, this trade of captured in gold new all time high. I am captured 8 to 7 times of my trading career. So that was me, and that's my strategy. So use perfectly on market. That is the 1:7 strategy I can use, and this strategy was perfectly working in market 7 times out of 10 times. Okay, so that's was my trading psychology, and that is my trading strategy also. So that's the level. After the bleach, you can enter for the selling up to this area easily. If this previous stay high, and that is your TP area and selling, but that is risky trade. That selling the 300 pip sellings was very risky on that time, because the gold was full bullish, and that is the and gold was full upper trend. So you don't trading the trend against the trend. So that's why I called you that is the risk taking area. Very risky trade that was. The 300 pip selling was captured. That is very risky of this type of market, because the market was full bullish on this time. So that's why I told you price was generally up to this 30100 3100, because the liquidity was here, and the pending orders and the many Reasons were, yes, that's why I told you the price was coming downside up to the few days, and that's the today was coming the price on these levels, because the how many orders and how many filled by the trading by the market, because that's the move of Tokyo session. Tokyo session. That's why I told you that many order was pending at this time, and the many FBGs are here, and that's the order block also. So that's why I told you price was coming up to this 30100. That's the perfect TP area for selling, and that is the good, and also the buying area also. That's the also buying area. That's the point. That's the point. 3100 to 3190. That's the 20 pips was very good risk taking area for buying side. And up to this reach the level you can selling and you enter on these levels. Okay, I have a two scenario for this gold, and what happened in next Bitcoin. I can see this. Wow, that's the Bitcoin happened. Bitcoin was on selling. So that is a smaller time frame. That's why I told you we are analysis for higher time frame. That is smaller time frame guys. Come on, let's go for the one day time frame. That's the main support of gold, a Bitcoin, sorry, and that is the buying area of gold. And just going for 4 hours. Good. What am I told you? You can see these guys. I told you the price was going upside. The three, that is 400 pips are going up to upside, up to this area. You can see this. The levels was marked here, because I am only trading gold, and then your interest. That's why I am analyzing Bitcoin. Okay, guys. And the analysis you can see up to this level. I can told you the two places. The price was break the level. Price was going for the 400 pips, guys. 400 pip plus up to this area. You can see this. That is 4.93% return up to 2 days, 7 days. Just 1 week. That is the 5% return in gold, Bitcoin. That is 4,000 points plus up to these levels. And I told you, and that's the level price was going down for same things, the 4,000 plus points to downside, but market was bullish on that time. That was going for the 4,000 plus point up to upper side. That's the 888690. Okay, price was going for that, and price was selling. That is the TGL for that 4 hour time frame selling area, and you can show the selling, see the selling up to these levels. You can see the selling levels. That is the thick 6,000 point selling, guys. That is the TGL 4. Okay, that is the good selling area. I told you guys, I can market, I can see this. That is the selling area of this market, and that's the selling was showing by very early in market, and that's the good buying area for market up to this trade. And you can confirmation for the upper side like this for this levels. It is 900 new, because price was not moved like this. I can told you guys price was change, year change character. Price behavior was changed in this week and Bitcoin also. And gold was, I think gold was going for some selling some days, and gold was going for new all-time high also again. Gold was something going for 3,200 points very easily on that time. That's the gold price action behavior. That's like that. Gold was told. You can see the 4 hour candle, guys. The super bullish candle was created by the market, and that is the Marubozu candle. You can see The candle friends are, you can see the candle strength. That's the 4 hour candle, guys. The super bullish candle was closed by the market. Okay, and price was rejection up to this area because that's the FPGs were there and that's the gap, price gap. That's was price like the selling up to this area, but price was going for the new upside and you create the all new all-time highs because the March 31st March today and the last week of March, last day of March, and that is the final year of the financial markets. So that's today was very important, and that's the important day for the every financial workers. Okay, guys. So today was most important day for the every market range of character. You can see this the selling. I can hit the SL up to these levels, but again I can capture a good trade up to the breakout. I can enter on this level and I can get the 100 pips plus. I get first of I get 20 pips SL. Okay, and then I am enter for the buying side because I am confirmation for the price was going to upper side. I can get up to this level. You have 100 pips. Okay, I am captured the 100 pips up to these levels. You can see this. I can upload my trading setup, trading history. I can send my YouTube channel and to shorts the trading history. I can send you. So that's the scenario of gold and the Bitcoin. Showing for Bitcoin was going in next week for 90,000 points, and I think gold was going for, wait a second, for our time to just see the gold. That's the points. Gold was coming for 3 and 500. Okay, very easily. In week, next week, gold trading 3 100. Gold was a smaller correction on gold because the very good buying up to this area, and that is also buying area. I can told you guys, that's the real buying area of gold. That's the minimum correction you can see of this market. Okay, guys, price was come up to this area. I told you that is one day, that is 4 hour time frame, guys. I told you price rejected by this area. Price rejected by this area. Then price was going down for this, and again, the price was coming for the upper side like this. New all-time, create new all-time high. Price tap this level. You know, price was going for new all-time high. Okay. After correction these levels, price was going for new all-time high in gold. Okay, I can analyze my the chart. Okay, guys. See you in New York session. And also, I gave a good trade in 100 pips. You can already, I think you are already captured the 100 pips trade. I have captured only 80 pips on this new all-time high. So see you in London's New York session, guys. Okay. Thanks for watching. I am coming in New York session. No tension, guys. What happened in market? Let's see the markets. See you in London session, New York session, guys. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.